Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
That's,
How can I help you today?
that's fantastic. Can you see my screen with Moodle page on it?
Yes, I can see the Moodle page clearly. What would you like to do?
Well, I'd like to find my course. Can you show me how I can find my course?
Sure. First, please look at the top of the screen. Can you see a navigation bar?
Yes, I can. Is that this bit here at the top?
Yes, that's the one. Please click on My Courses in that navigation bar.
Okay. Right, okay, I've done that.
You should now see a list of your courses. If you don't see the course you're looking for, you can try using the search bar. Can you see a search bar on the page?
Whereabouts would I find the search bar?
It should be located in the Source Overview section. Look for a bar with a search icon or the word search in it.
Okay, I've got it.
Please type in the name of the course you're looking for in that search bar.
Ah. Okay, I've got my course open now. I want to add a Turnitin assignment into this course. Can you tell me how I can go about that, please?
Yes, I can help with that. First, please look at the top right corner of your screen. Do you see an option to turn editing on?
I don't know what it would look like. Can you tell me what it looks like?
It should be a button or a toggle that says Turn Editing On. It's often located near the top right of the course page.
Is that it? This thing here?
Yes, that's the one. Please click on that.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I've done that.
Now, navigate to the section where you want to add the Turnitin assignment.
Right.
Can you see an option to add an activity or resource?
I can, yes. Okay, I've clicked that.
In the Activity Chooser, scroll down and look for Turnitin Assignment 2 and select it. Then click on Add at the bottom of the screen.
Okay, it's opened.
Now you need to fill in the required details for the assignment. The first field is the Turnitin assignment name. Please enter a name for your assignment there.
Okay, I've done that.
You can also add a summary or description for the assignment if needed in the Summary field. This is optional.
Okay, I've done that as well. Thank you.
Next, you can adjust the submission type and number of parts if needed. Further down, you'll find various options for originality reports and other settings. Please review these and adjust them according to your requirements.
Okay, thank you. And when I'm all ready, what do I do?
Once you have configured all the necessary settings, please look at the bottom of the page. You should see buttons to save and return to course or save and display. Click on the button that suits your needs.
Okay, that seems to have worked. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?